welcome back. It's the next day. I spent a few hours last night working on the fuel pump assembly. So as you can see, we JB welded a brass nipple in there. So now we got 2 nipples again. We also just cleaned it up, put a new rubber gasket on there, or rubber O-ring type thing on there. Cleaned it all up, should be good to go. We also got a new fuel pump relay, so we're gonna slap this all in and see if it all works. So let's get to that. There's like a whole chunky in here. Oh, nasty. Make sure to clear the junk out of your fuel tank before you install. It is incredibly hot today, so perfect day to be working on a fuel system. Huzzah. Would you look at that? This is not going to be long enough to reach that though. Yep, definitely just a spark plug. Alright, well the return line fits great. The sending line, I have my doubts.
Slobber.
Okay, I found a nipple, in case that wasn't clear. So those of you that don't know, I had an E21 that used this exact same thing because it also had fuel issues, and the fuel line was also not long enough in that. So different car, same problem, same solution. Almost like BMWs have fuel pump issues. Well, the nipple held up enough for me to yoink this fuel line on. That means it must be doing something right. I'm gonna just tuck it up in here like so. There's our sensor. All right, we've got a fuel pump installed.
There was not a lot of coolant in the system. That was a pretty bone dry system. Well, that might be one of the overheating issues. Apparently, when this car ran, it overheated quite bad, and everybody said it was a head gasket. Milk test. It's not milky. It hasn't been running in a while. I think that's pretty much all there is to it. That was my contribution to the drift car. Add some fluid.
We got a new fuel pump relay because the other one was wrong. This one should be correct. We're gonna try it. Hopefully it works. So take our little jumper out.
The other one wasn't completely wrong.
It was very close.
It was close. So we give the part shop points.
Give them points for trying to source something that's not quite right, but
yeah,
close enough. Let's hook the battery up and see if she fires up. Did you put both jugs in?
1.5.
All of them.
Oh, it filled it?
Yeah, it was like completely out. There's a lot of air in the system, and there's probably going to be a lot more air bubbles that come out.
That's fine. It's got a blown head gasket already, so I mean, what's it gonna do? Make it worse? Actually, it probably could get worse. It could blow the other side.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter because you're going to swap motors.
Yeah, doesn't matter at all.
You started thinking about head gaskets.
I started thinking about other things. Welcome to being ADHD, YouTube.
Oh, it has been drawn.
No priming?
I don't know. I can't tell if this is on or not. These things are quite difficult. There we go. You tell me what's happening on here.
Relay yet.
Oh, I saw power.
That was power.
Okay. You saw it jump, right?
Yeah. I made it.
Oh, would you look at that? Just look at that. I mean, just look at it.
Yeah.
I mean, just get a look at that.
Oh, that's safe.
That's not the worst running car I've ever seen. I'm not even touching these now. No smoke.
What's the coolant level looking like? How do you know it's got it?
Last time we got it running, it was
smoke. Yeah, but that was on
Well,
starter.
but that was on starter fluid.
Dude, it's just running on its own power.
Oh, yeah.
That
temperature's going up pretty quick, but it's not overheating.
Well, it's hot. Who knows what the temperature is?
You're right, it's not an Audi.
Yo!
That's running good. It's running great. That's not bad.
I think we should do a little donut. I guess I should just see if it even moves first, huh?
Yeah. Just do a couple like drive arounds, man. Drive it around a little bit.
Yeah, you should probably.
Just make sus noises, don't worry about
Plug a fuel rate relay in. Starts right up.
All you needed was a relay.
This is a first for TDT. Oh yeah.
That's plumey.
That's ahead.
That's good, man.
That's not going
it.
anywhere.
There's no clutch.
Is there no?
Oh, look at that.
Hold on, it might not be all the way in gear. The transmission might just be real crunchy.
That's movement. Oh yeah.
I gotta hold it in first.
Turn radius.
If I hold it in first, it's not first.
Oh, you gotta hold. He's gotta hold the shifter in. That's funny. That might be a bushing.
Hold on, I gotta get a good video of this.
White. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Pretty chunky.
It's a little bit chunky.
It's pretty yummy. It runs.
But it runs.
It does have a check engine light on.
Lovely.
I wonder why. All right, hit it, John.
I don't know what the size of the car.
It fires right up.
I mean, that's the second time starting.
The second time starting in like who knows how long.
All right, see if reverse works. Not.
Ooh.
Reverse works fine.
Hey, maybe it's just first gear.
Second works great. Watch, see if the windshield washer wipers work.
The wipers work. I don't know if there's washer.
Oh, it's pouring out the front.
Ah! Here.
Unplug the battery.
Oh, there's where our fluid ended up. Beautiful.
All right, we got the car into the barn and it drove itself here, which is crazy. It runs and drives. First gear's a little suspicious. Doesn't really want to stay in first, so I don't know what we're gonna do about that. But it has second, it has third, it has reverse, which for drifting is pretty much all you need. At least that works. The engine definitely has a blown head gasket, as you saw. We're gonna swap in that engine, so the next time you see us, we'll probably be pulling the engine out of this and getting it ready for a new engine, and I've got a new clutch for it, so we'll be doing all that at once. Might as well just, you know, while we've got everything separated, drop a new clutch. The car runs and drives, so we at least know that fuel works and actually rolls forward, so we've got a working-ish transmission. So without further ado, stay dead, and we'll see you in the junkyard.
Cameron, you're supposed to.
I can totally see you on camera.
That's the goal.
I didn't even realize until I like looked in the background. I was like, what the heck is going on back there?
Oh, we're having a grand old time back here. Good time back here.
Fantastic.
Enjoy editing. We've got lots of fun.
Great. I'm excited. I can't focus now. Oh,
But
jeez.
we a little distracted over here.
Nope.